Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. After conducting an aerial survey of the Amphan cyclone hit areas of Odisha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday announced a Rs 500 crore relief package for the state. The Prime Minister took a review meeting with Governor Ganeshi Lal, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, Union Ministers Dharmendra Pradhan and Pratap Sarangi at Bhubaneswar Airport. The Odisha government on Friday said that there has been no confirmation of any loss of human life in the state due to Cyclone Amphan. However, top officials said Cyclone Amphan had affected nearly 45 lakh people and damaged a large number of houses in the coastal districts. Among the districts affected, the worst are Balasore, Bhadrak, Kendrapada and Jagatsinghpur. 86 new positive coronavirus cases were reported on Friday in Odisha. It took the total tally of coronavirus infected patients to 1189. Among these, 393 persons have recovered and have been discharged from the various COVID-19 hospitals in the state. The current number of active coronavirus cases in Odisha now stands at 789. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced on Friday an advance interim assistance of Rs 1,000 crores for cyclone-hit West Bengal. The Prime Minister announced the relief in a video message. Cyclone Amphan, which has killed 77 people and left thousands homeless in West Bengal, is now considered even more destructive than Cyclone Alia, according to the United Nations. Cyclone Alia had slammed southern Bangladesh and eastern India in 2009. Cyclone Amphan, the strongest to hit the region in nearly 2 decades, made landfall on Wednesday evening. It battered several parts of West Bengal, washing away bridges and swamping low-lying areas. India on Friday broke its own 24-hour record, adding 6,088 cases in single day as the total number of novel coronavirus cases touched 1,19,419, the Union Health Ministry data said. On Thursday, it reported 5,609 cases in 24 hours after breaching the 5,000 mark continuously for 3 days. India has reported 3,599 deaths so far. Pakistan International Airlines flight crashed on Friday afternoon in densely populated area of Karachi. There were 107 persons on board the PIA flight, including 99 passengers and 8 crew members. Surendra Panigrahi, Secretary of Bikash Parishad NGO, filed a public interest litigation in the Odisha High Court on Thursday, seeking cancellation of the annual Rath Yatra festival in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Panigrahi stated that every year more than 10 lakh devotees come to Puri to participate in the annual festival. If the same number of devotees turn up this year too, it will be a humongous task for district administration to maintain social distancing, which will worsen the situation. Total worldwide COVID positive cases rise to 52,17,397 with 3,35,058 deaths. 20,96,676 people have recovered so far. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live.